welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my slimes. So this is it. I named it 6-in-1 Foam Slime. So it's basically a slime smoothie because I mixed 3 slimes together and then I put foam balls in it. Just today I put the foam balls in it. So I keep it in this container and it only just fits. It stretches really good. It's so crunchy, and also it can definitely do swirls. I've just been playing with it, then I thought I might as well just do the video. So sorry I've been not posting anything lately. So, and if this isn't a good swirl, yeah, it's not really that good, but and it can poke, so that's good. And it's very good at stretching. It can definitely do bubbles. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below how you think, if you think that I should do more slime videos. Bye!